Hello, welcome to another video. Today we are going to make this very easy Marina dress. This pattern is available in children's sizing as well. To make the dress, you will need your fabrics, elastic, some bias tape, sewing supplies, and the patterns that you can purchase from our website. Let's start. Place the front and the back bodice pieces together, right sides facing each other, and attach them at the shoulders. Do this for the front and the back lining pieces as well. Flatten out the shoulder seams. I am simultaneously making this kid's size as well, so I thought I will share glimpses of that as we move along in this tutorial. So after attaching the shoulders, we are now going to move on to the neckline. Place your bodice pieces on top of the other, right sides facing each other. Match the shoulder seams and the neckline and stitch all around. Cut notches at the corners. Trim the seam allowance as shown. Turn the piece around and iron the neckline. Now for the armhole, lay the bodice flat, gently roll the piece towards the armhole, sandwich it as shown. And stitch all along the armhole curve. Trim and turn the piece over as shown. Now repeat the same process for the other armhole. Stitch along the curve. Trim, turn the piece over and iron the armholes. For the pockets, we are going to use the bias binding on the slanted pocket openings. Place the binding on the right side of the pocket and stitch. Fold the bias tape over and stitch it down in place. Repeat this for the other pocket. Placing the wrong sides of the pocket upwards, fold over the seam allowance at the base of the pockets and iron. Place the pockets onto the front side panels and sew them down as shown. Now let's attach these side panels to the centerpiece. Place the panels on either sides of the centerpiece, right sides facing each other. Sew them together. Overlock the seams. Gather the centerpiece by giving a loose stitch all the way across. To do this, let's increase the stitch length, pull out some threads and stitch. Use the extended threads on both these ends to gather the piece. Pin the skirt piece to the lining of the bodice piece as shown. Stitch them together. Fold the seam allowance of the top bodice piece as shown and stitch. Let's gather the back skirt piece as well. Attach the back skirt to the back lining piece. Fold in the seam allowance and stitch down the back bodice. Now give another parallel stitch around 1.5 centimeters above the previous stitch. Pass the elastic in between these two stitches. Stitch the ends of the elastic. Now with the right sides of the dress facing each other, stitch the side seams. Overlock the side seams. Double fold and stitch the hemline. Our dresses are ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please like and share and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. I will be back soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye.